Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something special for all you travel enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the American Tourister Pop Max soft side luggage with spinner wheels, a three-piece set that's making waves in the world of luggage. Stick around because we'll tell you why this is the best luggage set for travel you can get your hands on. Let's kick things off by talking about the American Tourister Pop Max soft side luggage. This set comes with three pieces, including a 21-inch spinner, a 25-inch spinner, and a 29-inch spinner. But what sets it apart from the competition? First, let's talk about mobility. The American Tourister Pop Max luggage features 4 multi-directional spinner wheels. That means you can effortlessly roll it in any direction, making your travels a breeze. No more struggling with heavy luggage. This one rolls upright, taking the weight off your arm and shoulder. Comfort is key when it comes to luggage, and this set has you covered. It comes with a padded top and side carry handles, providing extra comfort when lifting your fully packed case. And speaking of packing, these cases expand for added packing capacity. So, whether you're a light packer or a heavy one, there's room for everything you need. Let's talk organization. Inside, you'll find bloused shoe pockets, an accessory mesh pocket, a modesty pocket, and cross straps to keep your belongings secure and organized. No more rummaging through your suitcase to find that one item buried at the bottom. One of the standout features is the push-button handle. It locks when fully extended, allowing you to effortlessly push or pull your case. When fully recessed, it reduces the risk of damage when not in use. It's all about durability and convenience. Now, let's talk numbers. The 21-inch spinner measures 21 inches by 14 inches by 7.5, and weighs 8.6 pounds. The 25-inch spinner measures 25 inches by 18 inches by 8.5, and weighs 10.5 pounds. Finally, the 29-inch spinner measures 29 inches by 20 inches by 9.5, and weighs 12.12 pounds. These sizes are perfect for all your travel needs. And here's the kicker. American Tourister stands by the quality of their products. This set comes with a 10-year limited warranty against defects in materials and workmanship. That's peace of mind for your travels. There you have it, folks. The American Tourister Pop Max soft side luggage with spinner wheels is a top contender for the best luggage set for travel. With its durability, mobility, and thoughtful design, it's an excellent choice for your next adventure. If you're looking for a reliable and stylish travel companion, this set might just be the one for you. And remember, it comes with a 10-year limited warranty, so you can travel with confidence. That's a wrap for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss an update from Product Critique. Safe travels, and we'll see you on the next episode.